Alright guys, 11 o'clock guys. I'm done already everything. I already restore my car and set out to the family of the Mr. Plur Estabilio guys. Is police officer guys, police officer lieutenant. Oh, thank you for today in the police station. I met for him there, and then after that I go to the everything okay my car already guys, new renew already, and this time let's go to the beach side to try fish again. Ito na guys, oh karating na namin guys, kaya punta naman tayo ngayon sa pisingan natin guys. Okay, palabas na tayo guys sa ating ano ba to, wait, ayun sus, naka-neutral pa tayo pala guys. Alright, continuous ko lang guys ha. Even ng weather natin dito sa Saipan, di maganda ha. Registered ko na yung sasakyan ko, nag-renew ako guys. Kaya ngayon, let's go, kung mahuli natin sa dagat. Let's go lang, continuous natin doon guys. This morning guys, galing tayo sa ano, naparesto tayong sasakyan. Ngayon first throw natin guys, oh. Sana maputi guys. Maputi si mama guys. Oh, maputi na guys. Come on mama. Ayun guys, oh. Yung mag-ina ko guys andun, oh. Oh. Maliligo din sana ako guys alas 4:30. Kaya may nagpipising na doon guys, oh. Yan, dito natin continuous yung atin na pagpipising ngayon. First cast natin guys ha. Alright ma. Ayan ang first cast natin guys. Dito tayo ngayon ha. Kuntis na natin guys para may video tayo mamaya. Alright. Set out sa sa police sa umaga guys. Ayan na guys, malaki na yan guys, oh. Good shot na sa akin yan guys. Enjoy lang guys. Guys, oh, enjoy yung mag-inak guys sa mga aso guys, oh. Nagliligo. Kaya tayo enjoy naman tayo dito guys. Sana yun guys. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Mama. Kahit maalon guys, sige lang. Guys, oh. Yung mama maputi guys. Ayan na guys. Guys ko mama. Oh. Ayun. Medyo malaki dito guys. Malalaki dito, che. Ayan na guys, oh. So, may kumugat pa sa atin guys. Ano yun? Guys, oh. Ayos. Pasensya na sa isa guys. Kasi hindi yata siya nakakuha. Tayo lang nakakuha guys. At least may tatlo lang tayo. Not bad na yan guys. Pang ano na, pang dinner na. Sigang 6 days nga hindi tayo nakapag-fishing. Ayun, oh. Oh. Tapos ito pa. Oh. Kahit na alas 5 na tayo nag-umpisa, baka masundan pa ulit yan guys. Oh, masundan dalawa, deal na. Right? Enjoy lang guys. Focus natin. Maputi darling. Got my wife. On first row. Maputi si mama. Sa natin spatan. Panibagong spatan guys. Oh. Alright. May isa naman tayo guys. Oh. Imting guys. So karating na natin guys. First row. But not big. Good size only. Alright. Shout out sa lahat dyan. Nag-upisa naman tayo mag-fishing. Medyo okay na pakiramdam natin. After 6 days, nagkaskit tayo. Kahapon, naligo tayo ng dagat. Kaya ito naman tayo ngayon guys. Umpisa naman tayo. Let's go lang. Ito naman guys, ang pangalawa natin guys. Sana makuha natin guys. Kasi nakadalawa agad tayo nakawala guys. Kaya dapat makuha natin to. Come on mama. Hindi so. Kumasama man guys. Atas unti. Asa na? Up. Ayun. Ayun, nakadalawa, dalawang nakawala natin guys. Ngayon lang, tutulang. Gusto ko niyo guys, ayun oh. Pagkasunod nito, nagtapon akong dalawa din na nakawala agad. Ayun oh. Alright, sana makarami-rami tayo. As lang, mukhang hindi naman magandang panahon. Umambot naman, kagaling na natin sa sakit. Sige lang, putis lang. Alright, medyo malaki-laki na ito guys. Doon sa kabila, sa spata natin. Guys, number 3 natin guys oh. If that, I think mag-change location tayo guys. But it's continuous catching. Ito, I want to change location but still catching guys oh. Oh. Ay. Yan ang huli natin guys oh. Kaya after this one guys, maybe I want to change location guys. Right, because going hot this place. Continuous na tayo guys habang kumakagat naman sila. Well, I think I'm doing another spot guys. So, still continuous. Right guys, let me see. Where's the easy mama? Mama, where are you now? I thought you are looking at the spot. You still bite, huh? Okay. I still little bit for you, mama. Guys, oh. I thought I'm moving, guys. Still biting. No moving, guys. Still biting. But if like nothing, guys, you can looking at that spot, right? Supposed to be after I catch on the tree, another one, already 4. Supposed to be I'm going my spot again, but still biting. I'm still little bit, guys, and then continuous catching. Maybe if not, you can go in my spot. Right? Let's go, guys. Continuous natin, guys. Woohoo! Ayan, guys, oh. Kasi good size already, guys, oh. The same size is, oh. Right? Alright, mama. Alright, baka makawala pa guys. Change location tayo guys. Back to my spot guys. Ito na guys, lumalaban na agad tayo ng ano guys oh. Sana hindi tayo makawalan nito guys. Ayun, sa puwit na yata guys. Sa puwit na yata din nadali guys oh. Tinamo yung huli ni Papa Jess sa puwit lang oh. Si Rod guys, at saka may dalawang fisherman doon guys oh. Ayun oh. Enjoy lang Rod. Shout out Rod. Itong sa atin guys, sa pulit lang kumakagat. Ayun oh. May taladya doon. Pagtis na tayo guys. Alright. At least mayroon na tayong nut bud na yan guys. Tingnan natin huli natin guys. Ayun na yun. Hindi yan nabukin na yan guys. At least mayroon tayong ganyan na kalilit. Baka kilawin natin ngayon. Alright. Sa ano lang din nahuli oh. Sa pilikpik lang. Ganyan. Alright. Continuous lang natin guys. Habang kumakagat sila. Oh, sorry. Okay ah. Guys oh. 100 guys na maputi. Attacking the one. The talakitok guys. Kaya ito naman sa ating guys oh. Ayan guys oh. Si Rad sa dulo guys oh. Dito naman tayo guys. 100 pieces guys. Kaya dito tayo ngayon sa ano. Ayun oh. Ayun na yung huli natin guys oh. Pero nag-attack yung talakitok guys. Ang dami. Ang lalaki. Ayun. Ito na yan. Nakbat guys. Continuous natin. Kasi nag-atake na yung mga talakitok eh. Hindi ko nadala guys yung malaki kong rod and reel guys. Maybe tomorrow. Sige lang. Na guys. Meron naman guys oh. Ang malalaki-laki yata guys ang tinitira natin guys ah. Guys oh. Naku, baka tirahin pa yata ng talakito guys. Nandito naman yung mga malilit eh. Oh! Tirahin naman ng talakitok eh. Kaya nung umatake na yun guys, oh. Ayun oh. Naku, mukhang maparami naman sa Papa Jer guys. Pero bitin ang tinapay nito. Patakbo naman tayo nito sa tindahan. Bumili ng tinapay nito guys. Oh, kaibigan ko oh. May estudyante siya guys. Yeah. Another one guys. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Ha? Harvest time, harvest time. Ibigan guys, so sabi ko harvest time. Harvest time si Papa J guys. Continuation natin guys. Ayun na oh. Harvest time again. Let's go, let's go. Alright guys. Nandito naman tayo sa spatan natin guys. Kahapon ng hapon guys, yesterday afternoon, nag-try din ako dun sa back of the Salangkanua guys, but I catching only 3 pieces. After that I'm shower, but I make together this main video today. I catching and I see rod in the side. Also I know she's catching today, but I starting in the after the drop my wife in this afternoon 12 o'clock, and then I pass by in the beach road. I try fishing there like maybe like 1 hour, but it is very hard. But I catching only 4, I losing 2, but I come back my spot. You see, look my spot guys. See, look my spot. If you have catching maputi, go this spot guys. See, is a lot of maputi guys. Yeah, see, we have another rod, but I leaving guys. I'm going something. I'm going to go home already guys, and maybe tomorrow I came early because a high tide, but this time is low tide. We had to catch the maputi guys. Yeah, maybe I came early, maybe like 8 or 9. At least I can catching guys. See, look, this is my spot. Yeah, walking the side. You know the side. This one I catching. It's a big talakitok because this place sometime is maputi, the one the small one like this size. the talakitok is chasing guys. And you see the old man still up, he's catching only like 3 pieces. Yeah, all right. And maybe I make kilawin guys. Yeah, but maputi now is not like big size. Yeah, but already okay already guys. Right, let's go guys. And you like to come this place, try. See, this the kano. You come here and then trying catching the maputi. By the way guys, this is my catching guys. I forgot again guys. I almost forgot. Always are I. See, that's only the sizes I catching today guys. I don't know, maybe like 4 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Okay, at least not zero again guys. Alright, I love you guys, and I love you mama in the sea, and I love you mama in the land, and thank you very much, and happy new year guys, and happy trekking, and God bless you all. Right, continuous na rin tomorrow guys. Wala pa mahuli natin. Right. Shout out pa si Mr. Flor, the policeman guys. Alright, let's go. And maybe kilawin today. Alright.